if the bell opens and you're in the color, that 2-minute EWO starts the second the bell rings. All we want to do though is make sure, right? Give it a couple seconds to make sure that is truly the trend of what the market wants to do. What do I mean by all this? I'm looking at the 2-minute EWO and SOXL because I'm in it. Now, obviously I can see it as fading, which it's not a strong thing, but you could have bought the 2-minute EWO the second the bell rang. You could have made some money down to here. See it?
Yes.
So it does work immediately. You just have to look for what color is happening when the bell rings. Now, you know, a big concern, of course, is going to be it's pulling, and you can see before the bell rings, it's to the upside. You can see down here it's fading, right? Meaning going against it. But if you wanted to, knock yourself out. And then even being inside of here, this is the next move, right? So 16 minutes in, you would have been in on this. Now, if you waited till 10, right? If you're like, well, I'm waiting till 10, this is my move. You can still get in on this 2-minute EWO. You just have to do all the rules. Now, you know you didn't get in early, right? Which was here. You did not get to get in early, right? But yes, you can still get in. If I got in, of course, I will be watching this. Now, I would wait for a nice trend like this, or, you know, if it breaks above VWAP and starts to move the direction, right? Then I can get in and all the same rules apply, right? As long as it doesn't break VWAP, still golden. See it?
Okay, good to know. Got that.
Yep, but you definitely can. Some of the things, some of the pitfalls to watch out for are, let's say the stock was doing this. Okay. You see how it's riding around VWAP, but the color is right? I don't like that trade, because if it keeps going in and out of this constantly, right? There's no sign of strength one direction or the other. So I don't like it. Even though it's like, oh, but it's green, coach. No, it's garbage, right? Now, the good thing with this one, if you look at this, has this ever broken, even though it one time broke through, has it ever broken and held below VWAP all day?
Not at all.
So what would we call this?
Bull.
Yep.
Bullish, yes.
Yep. You see what I mean? So common sense in here would be like, you know what? I know I'm late to the party. I wanted to wait for overall direction. As long as you do it here. Now, again, this is what's nice. You know, we do a 25 to 40% rule off of this. All that does, by the way, is buy you the entry, right? Now, the good thing with this one, let's say you did buy in here. You don't need to wait 25 to 40% to know if it's going to work. Because if it broke and held below VWAP and you were down 8%, would you still hold 25 to 40%? No.
No.
If we were in a call and it broke below VWAP and it held, do we want to be in it?
Oh, okay. No.
Yeah. I knew you misunderstood what I said. So think about it. In that case, oh, but coach, you said you got to wait 25 to 40%. No, wrong. It's already the wrong way. Why be in that, right? Or if the color changes. Either way, if the color changes right away when you enter, get out, right? Or if it breaks below VWAP and you're in a call and it stays down there, get out. Why do you need to sit there and go, well, coach said I need to lose all this money first? No.
Okay, got you on that.
Yep, great question. though. Thank you, buddy.
One more question, if you don't mind.
Oh, super chats are open. Go ahead. Digital cards are open. Go ahead.
I got you this morning, sir.
I love your face.
So my next question is, for the 2-minute EWO strategy, so you don't necessarily have to know how any particular stock is going to move. You can actually hop into any stock at any point as long as you're within the 2-minute EWO. Is that correct? Or do you need to study the stock, look the way it moves, and then get into it by that?
Nope, you are 100% correct. You can, if you use the 2-minute EWO, I don't care what the stock is. I don't care if you've never seen it before. I don't care if you know what the company does. None of it matters. None of it. Let me show you why. Do you know anything about XPEV?
Not a thing, sir.
Could you have traded this 2-minute EWO at the open?
Absolutely.
Yep. So do you care what they do?
Not at all.
Do you care that they're on average range? This thing will move about 35 cents in a day? Nah.
No.
Yeah, I don't care. What do we care, right? Doesn't matter.
Oh, well, one of their drones.
Right. Yeah, like, but do you see what I mean though? It doesn't matter. With the strategy we use, we're ahead of the game already.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.